Is it recording? Birds. Checked eBird in the morning and what do you know?
HUDSONIAN Godwit. Seen on eBird with all these other birds.
Not more than an hour's drive away.
At the Red Hill Creek in Hamilton.
Vroom! Gonna go pick up Sean. Finally woke up. Greasy bastard.
The neighbor says I look like a terrorist. Check that shit out, bird tattoo.
No regrets.
No egrets.
Oh my god.
Checking out the birds in the Windermere Basin.
Always some kind of bird. Got some waterfowl here. What kind?
It's a northern shoveler.
It's a northern shoveler.
Derver.
Their spoon-like bills have comb-like things in it to help filter out food from the water. Much smaller to the mallards and godwits.
Oh, there's green-winged teal.
I like that bird.
Look at the rusty cheeks and green band on its head.
That's not wrong.
It's got prominent green on its wings, although you can't see it when it's in the water.
Fairly common duck, but really not that common since this is the first time we've seen one fairly close up. Alright, so we've made it to the Red Hill Valley Trail, trying to find the HUDSONIAN Godwit. It's a large shorebird with an upturned bill.
Go fast, bird.
Wish us luck.
I am going through where we're going.
We gotta get over there on the other side of the river. Birds!
What's that with those greater yellow legs?
Oh my! That's our HUDSONIAN Godwit!
HUDSONIAN Godwit!
Life list ad.
So rare!
The bird that we twitched for.
This HUDSONIAN Godwit has one of the longest bills.
See how the bill is slightly upturned?
Yep, they like bugs, crayfish, and mollusks. HUDSONIAN Godwits were considered rare for a long time due to the remote location that they breed in.
They breed in the subarctic and winter all the way down in South America. It's quite a long journey. We caught this feller in his migratory journey. We got the HUDSONIAN Godwit. Oh, just in time too, because it's raining a lot and wind, lots of wind.
Pissing down rain.
It's coming hard. Yo, dude, are you Amish?
Well, HUDSONIAN Godwit, check. It started pissing rain on us. We got the shot. We're been pretty close to 200 species photographed for the season so far. So we got a few months. Yeah, take it easy, guys.
On the way back, we stopped by LaSalle Park in Burlington.
Added another one to the life list there. The greater black-backed gull.
The greater black-backed gull is the largest seagull in the world. Make sure to stay tuned to the Bird Bros.
So subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video and share it with your friends or enemies, because we don't really care.
Yeah, just friggin' share it, bro.
Bird Bros. Bird Bros.
Bird Bros.
Bird
Bros.
Over and out.